What are the main risks involved in operational technology right now?
In operational technology, you do not have the flexibility to care the infrastructure as you should. So you're dealing with equipment which sometimes is going back 30 years old, which has been designed to automate, as Pekka said, the industrial process, but has not been designed to be protective or to have any protective measures on it. If you go to IT, you all know you have every week a new patch on your system, on your computer, and things are automatically improving. If you want to improve and fix an outdated component of OT, you need to stop the plant to bring down, your industrial equipment, which takes time in order not to destroy it mechanically. Then you have the interruption while you are not earning money because the process is standing still. You can fix the whole thing and then pump it up again and put the process into the gears. That's a different process. It's really difficult. So hence, in a conclusion, in the typical industrial environment, the patches and the changes of the outdated equipment does not happen as it should, and opens a door for those who maliciously try to get in.
This availability challenge is a big one because these processes are designed to work 24/7. They pump water, they provide electricity. It's the manufacturing process. Very often they work 24/7 all night long. You can't stop it. Or if you do, you have to have a very good reason for it. And therefore, the mentality has very often been, if it works, don't touch it.
But so I guess we need...
Can I jump in? The risk behind the risk is always the threat. So the threat landscape is basically the same to OT than IT. But the environment is different. And then it used to be that OT is just separated and it's isolated. You can't go in through the internet. But now I see the biggest risk is at the moment when we are combining OT and IT without knowing what happens. And that's the mentality. And then we come to the knowledge and capacity. So you again, it's about the knowledge and how you plan and prepare and then how you do your risk assessment as a whole.
And we've heard many of these stories of infrastructure failing, IT systems being attacked, or OT systems being attacked, or the combination of them being attacked. So what do you see being, right now, the top risks?
It's a very simple picture, Andre, I would draw here. You have a house, it has a front door and it has a back door. The front door is closed, the windows are protected with the grid, you cannot just enter, it has a burglar. But the back door is completely open. You don't even need a key. You just go to the back door, and once you are in the back door in the house, you own the house. You control the house. And we have a similar situation that it's completely underestimated that on the plant level, you need to have protective measures. So if you do not have transparency and controllability of your industrial infrastructure against cyber attacks, but you protect your IT, this is not sufficient, because this will create an immediate risk. And given the tensions we have at the moment, that it's relatively simple to get to the plant through the back door of the house and to disrupt the industrial process, you can bring a company into very difficult situation and circumstances on reputation, on environmental damage, on safety topics, and the interruption of industrial processes like that, while you think you are protected on the IT side and everything of the house is under control.
Yes. So the challenge really is that like Franco said, the back door is open and getting in is too easy, and there's very little visibility as to what is actually happening. You're monitoring the industrial process. And the first indication that you have that something is wrong is that your process is starting to fail. And that's not how security can be built. You have to get warnings earlier than from your industrial process.